Yes, YouTube, super cool here again. And you know, from you say Jamaica, you say Ackee and Saltfish. You know, most of you guys would know that this is our national dish. Alright, so basically, we're not gonna overdo it today. Alright, we're just gonna keep our Ackee and Saltfish simple so we can get the best flavor out of it. Alright. A lot of persons overdo it sometimes, but simplicity. Alright, so we're just gonna use some onion, some scallion, thyme, a little sweet pepper, garlic pepper, and some pimento. Alright, and a little black pepper. That's all we're gonna put in it today. Alright, if you like, you could put like tomatoes, but I don't like tomato in my Ackee and Saltfish. Some people say that it makes it look pretty, but we're going for a taste. Good food, good life. Alright, so we're just gonna get our pot hot now with a little oil and assemble all this together to make our Ackee and Saltfish dish. Okay guys, so we're just gonna get our firelight. Pour a little cooking oil. We're not gonna use a lot, just a little. Alright, now we're just gonna build our flavor. We're gonna build our flavor up from the ground up. Alright, we're not just gonna throw in the seasoning, we're gonna build our flavor. This is Ackee and Saltfish, and we're not gonna put a lot of stuff in it. Okay, so we're just gonna build up our flavor. Alright, so we're gonna let this oil hot. Give it a minute or two. Okay guys, so we're gonna start building up our flavors by putting our pimento seed and our scotch bonnet first. Alright. By doing that, we are releasing those flavors in the oil. Okay. Then we're just gonna put our thyme. Alright. Now our scallion, our onion, then we are going to put our sweet pepper. Okay. You know, garlic is easy to burn, so we're not going to put in the garlic until we're actually ready to put in our saltfish. Alright? Our garlic gives you a bitter taste when it is burned. So just getting all this saute, releasing all those nice good flavors. You guys could just smell this right now. Alright, now we're going to put in our garlic. And we're also going to add our saltfish. Okay. So how we actually prepared our saltfish, we just boiled it to get out a little of the salt, and then it was picked up. Alright. So we're just gonna let this simmer for a while. Alright, so while we were off camera a while ago, we went ahead and removed the thyme from the pot, because by now the thyme, the flavor would be already be released. Okay, so we're just gonna add our ackee to our pot. If you guys realize we are using a spatula, because we don't want to actually break up the ackee. We want to keep them older and looking nice same way. So we're just going to fold it in, alright? That's the reason for using the spatula. We're just going to fold in the ackee. We don't want it to be like slushy. Alright? So we're gonna add a little black pepper now. Just a little. And that's it, guys. Don't be tempted to throw a lot of stuff in your ackee. Alright? Meat, seasoning, all purpose, all these stuff take away the taste of your ackee. We're not cooking jerk chicken, so we're not gonna use any jerk seasoning. Alright? So this is actually what you want, alright? That's why your ackee looking like that. So I'm just gonna plate this now, so you guys can have a look at it. Okay, guys, so this is our finished dish, all plated up. And if you want your ackee and saltfish to look a little more colorful, all you can just do is just add some tomatoes, a little tomato rose or something, but you don't want to add it in your ackee to change the flavor. At least not for me. I don't like ackee with tomatoes in it, but everybody has their own taste, so that's how it goes. But my favorite ackee and saltfish dish is ackee and saltfish with roast breadfruit. Okay, so you can just share what you like to have your ackee and saltfish with in the comments. Alright, let me know. Okay, please remember to share, subscribe, and leave a like. Alright.